lake. The Maori thought that this regular movement was caused by a monster breathing at the bottom of the water. At the foot of Mount Nicholas, the banks of Lake Wakatipu become wider, opening up all the space needed for rural activities. These banks have provided a good breeding ground, particularly for merino sheep. If the flock of sheep stay perfectly grouped together, it's because merino sheep are kept in line and monitored by vigilant sheepdogs. Merino sheep are among the best producers of wool.